Good afternoon, it's Kay and it's
Gogo.
And we are here in Kuala Lumpur.
KLCC Park.
And we're here at the Petronas Towers. And today we're going to be taking you along for some typical Malaysian lunch.
That's because, as always, I am starving.
So, my name is Kay.
And my name is Gogo.
If you're new to our channel, we are traveling around the world and currently here in Malaysia. Please make sure to give us a like, a comment
and a subscribe
so that you can see our journey traveling around the world.
Kuala Lumpur Convention Center. This is where you get the air-conditioned bridge walk to the town center. Just in KLCC Park, you can see Petronas Towers from here. This is the best thing they ever done in the city center.
Yeah.
Because in this heat, you don't want to walk on the side of the road. They just have like this incredible bridge where you go your next town center.
So we're going to show you. So you'll also find the aquarium here in the convention centre and restaurants as well where you can have a bite to eat. You just come out and Bukit Bintang, I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly, is the centre of Kuala Lumpur. So we're going to show you the bridge walk. I'm going to show you the centre just whilst we make our way to our favourite restaurant that we found here in Kuala Lumpur with some of the most delicious Malaysian food.
And also, if you want to find out the detailed walk, check out our second channel, Gogo Walks, where we covered this walk.
Yes. It's 4K walking, no talking, no eating, only walking.
Only walking.
And we walk around different cities around the world. So this is the amazing walkway. Isn't it fantastic?
It's fantastic. The air conditioning is working.
You miss all of the busy roads and the air conditioning is wonderful.
Because here in Malaysia, Kuala Lumpur, it's really hard to cross the road when there is like no crossing. And the lights takes really long time to turn as well. So this walk
saves you a long way. And it's all signposted as well, so you can't get lost. You've got the signposts there and Bukit Bintang. And just like that, you're in the centre and we have the famous shopping centre, the pavilion here. And that one is there. So this is pretty much the heart of Kuala Lumpur. All of those skyscrapers. And air conditioning all of the way, or if it is raining, as it does quite often here in Malaysia.
And you don't know what time it's going to rain as well.
Yeah. Normally it doesn't last long and it dries quickly, but if it is raining, you're covered. So there's such a good choice of Western and modern restaurants, Malay restaurants too. And lots of different shops in here as well. This is the centre, isn't it?
It is very center, and from KLCC Park all the way to here, air-conditioned bridge walk, so you don't need to see the traffic.
So this is the track of the monorail up there as well, and it's just so busy, loads of restaurants, loads of shops, lots going on around the whole of this area. There is the monorail that brings you here, the Bukit Bintang stop.
Here we are just at the back of the Berjaya Times Square shopping center.
And this
We
is where
discovered this place on our first day when we arrived in Kuala Lumpur, and the food here
is amazing.
absolutely amazing.
So we're at restaurant Safrine. Lots and lots of local people come here as well, don't they?
And they have delicious local food in here.
So we're going to go in and get some local dishes.
Now this place is very busy, and mainly the locals and workers as well. They got excellent selection of Malay food and the drinks as well. Their iced tea is to die for. Today I went for water, but I still have enough space for the iced tea after this. But I'm gonna be having this first time.
What have you got?
Nasi goreng, ayam, telur, mata. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. Look at this beauty.
Wow, it looks amazing.
I never had this before, and for those who knows our channel, I am a big rice lover. Check this rice out.
That looks amazing.
Oh wow. You have the from the chicken, you have the smoked taste, spicy. As you can see, there are vegetables as well in there. It's spicy, smoky, chickeny, so delicious rice.
It looks like there's a really good portion of chicken in there as well.
And the crunchy vegetables in there as well. As the nuts as well in there. So I want to try this chicken. Look at this chicken.
Is the chicken coated?
Yeah, it's coated with the butter. But look at that. You got big chunk of like 3-4 pieces of chicken. Wow. It just falls apart from the bone. Very juicy, crunchy outside, very soft inside.
Is it spicy?
Little bit spicy, but this food, man. Oh my, this food, really. This is really good lunch. I'm definitely gonna enjoy this.
I am going straight in to some of this delicious chicken with the rice. That is delicious. The chicken has got just the right amount of spice, but what I love about it is that the rice itself has got peas in there, carrots in there, onion in there, an egg in there as well as an extra egg. Now, look at this yolk. Just look at that yolk. That really is a good, delicious rice. And our first ever nasi goreng.
started with the egg, but this chicken, I love chicken, and this is the best chicken I test, cooked to perfection.
So chicken is always Gogo's #1 choice. So he loves chicken, it's his favourite food. And chicken, rice and egg are just some of your favourite things.
Yeah.
The only thing that you would be missing is a plate of onion.
Yeah, but it's okay, I can live with it. And the rice with this delicious sunny side up egg. Yum 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 in my tongue. Sweet corn as well, as well as peas and nuts. This here, next level dish. I can start and finish non-stop eating on this.
So I used to see tom yum sort of soup, I don't know if you call it a soup, but tom yum on the television, and I have always wanted to try one. When we came to Kuala Lumpur, this was one of the first foods that I've tried, and since travelling everywhere around Kuala Lumpur and Penang, check out our videos if you've not seen them, this has been the nicest dish that I had. And it's a seafood tom yum, and tom yum, if you haven't had one before, is, like I said, like a soup, but it's packed with onions, tomatoes, there's lemongrass. I can smell the lemongrass. That smells amazing. Garlic and lots of ginger. Whole chunks of garlic in there. Look at that. Ooh. It's just absolutely delicious, and it's packed with squid and packed with prawns as well. I'm going to taste some of the broth. There's some, I think, parsley in there. The seafood broth is outstanding. The lemon is running through there with the added lemongrass, the ginger, the garlic, the tomato. This is one of the nicest foods I can honestly say I have ever eaten, not just in Malaysia, but in my life. It really is. I could come here every day and eat this same soup.
Is it spicy?
The chili pepper in there hits the back of your throat. My eyes are watering with it, but I absolutely love it. It is delicious. I really want Gogo to try it.
I cannot wait.
Yes.
No, I'm gonna be cheeky. As Kay only tried the broth, I'm gonna try my other favorite thing, which is onion. If you haven't seen Indian videos, you will, if you watch them, you will know how much I love the raw onion, and this onion looks delicious as well. There we go. You can have the rice.
No, that's mine.
No. It's too much swapping. Spice hits you, garlic, lemon, the seafood hits you, and tomato hits you, and the most importantly, onion. They all having a party in your mouth before they go through your throat. This is absolutely incredible.
And big prawns in there.
Big prawns, yeah, big prawns and seafoods. And look at that big tomato, chunks of tomato, mussels, squid.
Squid.
Look at that.
Yeah.
What is this? I'm gonna find out.
Squid.
I was gonna find out.
Squid is so tender.
Malaysia, you are incredible, incredible, incredible. I am moving here. I think I said that before. I don't mind, I love food, and good food is my favorite thing, and good food place is my home.
And as well as all of this amazing food and vegetables, and the vegetables are quite crunchy, which I love. There's the delicious prawns. Let me sample one. The prawns are so juicy and sweet and just cooked to perfection.
Nothing gets wasted.
Everything
Everything.
has been eaten.
Everything was absolutely delicious.
And we've got to say 10 out of 10 for this place. No wonder it's jam-packed when restaurants nearby are quite empty, so that says a lot, and so reasonably priced as well. We'll put the prices at the end.
I am so full. I'm really full. But I'm gonna ask you one question. What's for dessert?
Anybody knows me knows I'm a sweet tooth.
And I finish it off. Bankrupt. Proper bankrupt. They all came 23 ringgit.
Unbelievable value. Really unbelievable value. But Gogo's disappointed because they don't have any desserts. But I'm disappointed more. What have you got?
Jam donuts. Look at them. Look at the icing sugar on them.
And for 1, 2, 3, 5 jam donuts, that was 8 ringgit, and they're homemade as well. So we're just back at our little bed and breakfast where we're staying, and we're gonna finish off with a wonderful Malaysian dessert. We love donuts, but we've not tried them here in Malaysia, so we're looking forward to it if Gokhan can get them open.
Why would they do that? Why would they do that?
They're just packing them well. He always gets so impatient when it comes to packaging, doesn't he, everyone?
Look at the icing on that one.
We don't know if they are jam or if they're just sugar donuts. We're not sure.
Only one way to find out. Here we go.
They smell so soft and fresh.
That's salty
Salty?
and spicy.
Really?
They are sugar outside, spicy and salty inside donuts. They're not nice, you don't eat them.
Let me have a look. At the inside, where it's spicy, it doesn't look spicy.
Invisible
and
peppers.
it smells really sweet.
Invisible peppers on them.
Are you telling Vicks?
They are really nice.
Sweet, light,
Sweet,
fluffy?
light, fluffy, like a sponge. It doesn't give you the hard time when you put it in your mouth.
Melts in your mouth.
Melts and joys, it gives you the joys. Look at the icing. I never had so much icing, sugar,
Yeah.
on a donut before. Just sugar donut, but incredible.
So thank you so much for watching our afternoon here in Kuala Lumpur. Please make sure to give us a subscribe, click the like button if you could please, and comment and let us know, have you been to Kuala Lumpur before? What was your favourite food if you visited Malaysia? It's bye from Kay and it's bye from
Hungry Go-Go.
And the last word was to you.
Come to Kuala Lumpur, you won't be disappointed.